Hi YouTube, I'm Dominique and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I'll be explaining how you can pitch yourself to brands for paid partnerships. Now let's get into the video. Okay, so I always get asked this question a lot, which is, how do I pitch myself in order to get paid partnerships from different brands? I pitch myself multiple ways depending on the brand that I want to work with. And you can use this technique either if you want to pitch yourself for a paid partnership or for free product or a free service. This video is going to be really simple, really quick. I'm going to explain the two different ways or the two different methods that I use in order to pitch myself to different brands. Now the first method that I use is the one that I feel is the most important, which is basically through email. I feel like through email it makes the pitch feel more personal, especially if you're reaching out to an individual, a specific individual for a certain company. Say for example you want to reach out to Marriott Hotels and you find a direct contact that works for the marketing team for Marriott Hotels. Say the guy's name is James and his email is james@marriott.com. What I usually do is I like to personalize my emails. I'm going to give you guys a perfect example and I'm going to link the template below. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a template for you guys to where you can just copy and paste the pitch and fill in the blanks and go ahead and send it out to different companies that you want to pitch to. So it's going to be linked below. I'm going to link it here in the description box. So what I would usually say is, hi or hello, my name is Dominique and I'm a lifestyle and travel influencer based in Miami, Florida. The reason for this email is due to my interest in collaborating with Marriott. Say for example you want to pitch to Marriott. The reason for this email is due to my interest in looking to collaborate with Marriott. I feel as though the company fits well with my niche of travel and lifestyle, and I would love to discuss some ways we can collaborate. And then I go ahead and mention what I offer as far as social media promotion. I go ahead and say a few things that I offer for collaborations are social media posts amongst all of my prominent social media platforms, which can be customized to your liking. And then I finish it off and say I've attached my social media links as well as my media kit to this email. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Can't wait to hear from you. Best regards, Dominique. And then I go ahead and I attach my links, as I mentioned, my links to my social media platforms, so they can automatically click on those and go ahead and see my work. And then I go ahead and attach a PDF document of my media kit. And if you guys don't know the media kit, which is what I explained in my previous video, a media kit is basically a document filled with all of your work. Mine is filled with, I'm going to try to show you guys like a screenshot right here of what mine looks like, but it's basically a 3-page document. Mine is filled with like my about me. It gives you the analytics for all of my social media platforms, for like my Facebook, my Twitter, my Instagram, my TikTok. It gives you the amount of followers that I have on each social media platform. I'm not sure if I said it already, but it gives you like the little about me information, like some little information about myself. It gives you, of course, the links again of my social media platforms. I also add in my media kit the previous companies that I work with, and I also add pictures, especially like if it was a product promotion. I love adding pictures just so whoever I'm pitching to can see how I represented the previous brand. But I'm going to show you guys a little screenshot here, and that's basically my media kit. I'm going to do another video basically explaining how you can create a media kit. It's so simple, so easy. But that's just basically the first way that I pitch myself to brands. Now the second way that I pitch myself to brands is through direct message. And I only do this, well, I more so do this when I'm working with local brands here in Miami, but I just send them a direct message on Instagram. Like I said, an email to me, it just feels like it's more personal and you can customize it to your liking. But if you can't get in contact with anyone through email, you can always direct message a company on Instagram. I feel like every company nowadays, if you don't, you should, but every company nowadays has an Instagram account, and 9 times out of 10 they do read their direct messages. And what I would do is I would actually send that same email pitch through a direct message to that company that I want to work with, to their Instagram account. And like I said, you can always start with, hi, hello, my name is such and such, I'm a lifestyle, or whatever your niche is. You can put, I'm a lifestyle influencer or a beauty influencer or a travel influencer. I'm based wherever, and I would love to discuss some ways that I can collaborate with your company, or that I can collaborate with your brand. Now when it comes to paid partnerships, In the beginning, when I first send my pitch, I don't tell them in the beginning that I'm looking for a paid partnership. I usually wait until they email me back just to see like where their head is. When companies email back, I usually wait for their response just to see how I'm gonna respond to them and how I'm gonna pitch that I'm looking for a paid partnership. But I usually just wait to see what the company sends me back. And what they usually send back is, we love your work, of course we're interested, and how would you like to collaborate? So when they ask me how I would like to collaborate, that's when I go ahead and let them know that I'm basically looking for a paid partnership, and I can offer 2 Instagram feed posts, a customized TikTok video, Instagram story post, a Facebook post, a Twitter post, or whatever they're looking for basically. If it's a paid collaboration, I like to work with the company. I like to ask them like, let me know what works for you. What are you looking for as far as social media postings? I leave that more so up to the brand. Now I feel like if you're a new and upcoming influencer, a lot of brands try to manipulate these new and upcoming influencers because they really don't know how things work. But I feel like in the beginning, they always ask for these outrageous posts, like 10 TikTok videos and 12 Instagram feed posts and 20 Instagram story posts, and they only want to give you like $50. I feel like that's outrageous. Like a lot of brands do that now, a lot of companies do that now, especially like if you're a new influencer. I feel like if you're seasoned and you really know your worth, like it's ridiculous as far as the pay and as far as what the company wants. But like I said, those are 2 different ways that I pitch myself. Like I said, the second way is through direct message. You can basically send that same email pitch through a direct message. What I also usually do is, since I'm already on Instagram, 9 times out of 10, if I'm sending the company a direct message through Instagram, they're gonna click on my page and see my posts or see the other companies that I work with. But I also let them know that if they'd like for me to send them my media kit, can they send me like a personal email that I can email my media kit to? And when I send the direct messages, like I said, I usually send them some of my social media links. Well, I only send them my TikTok because like that's my most followed social media channel. So what I would usually do is I send them my pitch and I send them my TikTok channel. But I let them know in that direct message that I can email them my media kit if needed. But like I said, those are the 2 different ways that I pitch myself for collaborations with different brands. I'm also going to be linking the template below to where you can see an exact email where you can copy and paste it and fill in the blanks and pitch yourself to different brands. So I'm going to link it below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll be sure to answer them in my next video. And as always, like and follow for more. I'll see you in my next video.